United Architects of the Philippines and Professional Practice in 15 seconds. Part of the implementing rules and regulations of RA 9266, replacing 1979 Document 201 under the scope of the pre-design services. Pre-feasibility studies. These preliminary studies involve the procurement, analysis, and use of secondary information gathered for the project to aid the client in early decision making. They represent the architect's initial assessment of a project's soundness, allowing the client to promptly explore available, readily, and identifiable directions and options. Research process validated secondary data are generally used for such studies, electronic print, etc. Okay.